Hey, how's it going? Mr. Peace here. Just got done speaking at Black Elementary School, Maggie B School here in Sterling Heights, Michigan, and had a great day. I got to speak to the K through 5, all grades at the school, all about bullying and seeing people for their heart first, like you would see your own best friend. Just like my shirt says, the one race human. We see everybody as human beings before anything else. And a lot of the stories I share, are kids that are in pain. Could be as young as 5 years old up to 10 years old. And when I share these stories at an elementary age too, certain things just relate and they strike a heart chord and start to really maybe make somebody feel a certain emotion that they hadn't felt ever or in a long time. And that's okay, because I always say tears are strength. They're the sweat of our strength and the start of healing and feeling again. But a few students that came up to me after and shared their hearts said, that there wasn't anything really wrong in their life, but it was just more of just being sad because of all the hatred that's out there and some of these stories of they just can't believe that people would be so mean. And I told them if that meant that if they actually felt that much, that it brought them to tears, that they have a huge heart, they have a big heart, and they can change things by going out and being that light and sharing their love and kindness with everybody that they meet, their neighbors, their classmates, people in their community. That if we can continue to spread this message of peace, understanding, and tolerance, we can really change lives, ultimately save lives. Thanks for touching my heart. Never forget that you guys are miracles. That's what the M stands for in our palms, and upside down for worthy. You guys touch my heart. Hope to see you again one day soon. Peace.